Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing GitHub Copilot versus Cursor and versus Windsurf. So if you don't know what these three are, so GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer by GitHub and is powered by OpenAI, integrated into editors like VS Code. While Cursor, on the other hand, is a AI-first code editor based on VS also, with code built-in GPT, based chat, and editing. And lastly, Windsurf, on the other hand, is a lightweight, privacy-focused AI coding assistant for your local environment. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with GitHub Copilot here. So the pros of it is that it is strong autocomplete and code suggestions. It has native GitHub plus VS Code integration and supports many languages. Now the cons of it is that it is not chat-focused, only chat support, and limited to context awareness. Now let's go over to Cursor. So the pros of Cursor is that it has full code-based AI chat, inline co-edits, and excellent for refactoring and debugging. Now the cons of it is that it is a new editor and very hard to learn, and it is slightly heavier than vanilla VS Code. And finally, the pros of Windsurf is that it has local context awareness, so it can understand what you're saying easily, and it is a privacy first, and it runs locally or self-hosted, and it is lightweight to install. Now the cons of it is that it has fewer features than both of GitHub Copilot and Cursor, and has a smaller community and support. So which one is right for you? So you should choose GitHub Copilot for best simple AI assistance inside VS Code. Cursor is ideal for AI-driven development with full project awareness, and Windsurf suits developers who want privacy and local control over AI assistants. And that is basically it. That is the difference between these three. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.